Kia ora koutou. Hona Edwards. My marae is Mangakahia Marae, Puruti, Mangakahia Valley, Whangarei. And so it's quite clear that all our mahi have a whakapapa to each other. I've heard heard earlier before our presentation, the same things that other whānau, other hapu are doing. Two types of detrimental impacts to our tuna and our waterways. That's political and environmental. And you can chunk down from that all the things that we have listed today quite clearly. Local government, central government, RMA, all of those things under political, environmental. You got intensive farming, no fencing, all of those sorts of things. You can chunk them all down. The good thing about it is the relationships that are forming out of the huis like this spreads throughout the whole motu. So we talk about our tuna as being our tupuna, our tuakana, and so the whakapapa is strong and it's hard. And so I'm honoured also, and I've heard that being said today, I'm honoured to be here to share and to see the wide collective of Māori doing their mahi as we should be doing in our hapu and in our kāinga, our awa, our maunga, our whenua, our ngahere, our moana. They all whakapapa all the way back. And we're the lucky ones at the end of that whakapapa, tangata. And so when we say that the awa don't have a voice, that's what we're here for. We're the voice for the tai ao. And in fact, all of those things let us know when they need a afi, when they need a hand. Every one of those elements will call out to us and speak to us and say, e hoa, e hona, get off your tero and come down and have a look at me. There's somebody dropping some tutai in the awa over here. You know, those sorts of things. So it does have a voice. And we as Māori, as tangata whenua, know how to hear that voice and know how to respond to the voices of the tai ao. Why do we know this? Because our tupuna left it behind for us. Our tupuna left behind the taonga of being able to understand, to hear, to read, to listen to the tai ao, all the different elements. Because we can go home and we can sit there with our tamariki and our mokopuna, and we can recite stories from our tupuna, our grandparents, our great-grandparents, our aunties and uncles. We can all do that. So that was a koha, a taonga, a gift from those tupuna. Why did they gift us that? Because that's exactly what they were doing in their day. And the tupuna before them, and the tupuna before then. And so it's fair to say, I'm confident in saying that it's within the DNA of tangata whenua. And so it will never be lost. It will always be handed down through the generations. Our mokopuna, those mokopuna are not here yet, and so on and so on. So, you know, we can be proud that after all of like the tuna, after all the obstacles that us as tangata whenua Māori have gone through since colonisation, we still exist, and we still understand, and we still do the mahi. So I'd just like to tautoko everybody's presentation, and it's clear to me that we are all doing the same things in our different areas. And this is the first of these three that I've attended, and members of our group, Ngā Kaitiaki or Ngā Wai Māori, attended the first one, and attended other hui across the country. We've done this so that our group, can learn what each other group is doing, methods that we can utilise back home in Ngāpuhi. And every workshop and every conference that we've had representation at have brought back home valuable quality on what other hapu are doing. And for me and for us as Ngā Kaitiaki or Ngā Wai Māori, this is what it's all about. It's about sharing the tools of the trade, the tricks of the trade. What may fit in one place mightn't fit in another, but it might fit in another place. And this is what the tuna has given us, the koha, the tuna have given us, brought us all together. That's the only reason why we're here. The tuna have brought us together. The quality of the whare of the tuna, the awa, and of course the moana. And so I'd like to acknowledge te ohu kai moana, te wai Māori, te hea mana e Ken, kautama me tō rōpu. I'd like to acknowledge your fellows aroha and your gift to us all as well for your karanga, for ngā hapu. Now we talked about ownership of water. You heard where I come from, Poroti, and you would have heard about Poroti Springs. We own it. We own it. We don't say we are looking for allocation or consents. We say we own it. And us as tangata whenua Māori, we must always say that our awa that run past our marae kāinga, we own it. Tangata whenua. And so as far as the message of water ownership is concerned, that's the kōrero of Poroti. And o ngā hapu tiuri roa te parawhau, me rātou hoki ngā whānau mahurihuri ki whatitiri maunga. We say we own the awa Poroti, Waipau. So kia kā tātou whānau. You know, we talk about mana motu hake, tino rangatiratanga. Well, let's make sure that we engage in that. There, let's make sure that we uphold the mana of our tūpuna within our hapu kāinga, within our marae, within our taumata, so that our tamariki mokopuna understand what it is that we are doing as our leaders of our marae. We need to make an example to them. They pika, oh, I remember that tūpuna hona, he said this. And that kōrero goes on, just much like the tuna. The whakapapa goes on. I also like to thank Taihoro, te kūwaha o Taihoro Hikurangi, Erica. I'm a bit jealous. I thought we had you up in Ngāpuhi all for ourselves. Then I hear Ben saying, hey, Erica, we had you down here. Well, yeah, Ben. So Erica has spent years with us to get us to where we are. The training of what to do in the, same as you, Ben, the tuna surveys, the otolith and all of that. Fantastic. So Mātauranga Māori and the Western science definitely has a place together. Definitely has a place together, side by side. And we learn each other's, what each other's pathway can benefit us as Māori, or benefit the tuna, more to the point. Obviously, te ohu kai moana, te wai Māori, Bill, North Power, you know, our local government. We can go on about our local government as being one of the takahis on our local communities and that. But where we sit and build relationships with our local government, our district councils, our regional councils, it's all about that. And I figured out quite simply that is we need excellent and appropriate communication, and we need to get off our asses and get into rawa. Kia ora no tātou katoa.